So we get the toolbox here. Let's see. Okay. So I had a second one. This is one that was I found on the ground at Walmart. I just decided to pick it up, but it had the plastic part on here. I just decided to take it off. So we got a second one here that came in clutch here. We got all the sockets here, whatever you call it. I think you call it sockets, but whatever. So I'm gonna take this today and go get this part that was still on the refrigerator. I just gotta find the piece that fits. I don't know which one's gonna fit, but yeah. I do have these, but I don't think these ones are gonna fit. Obviously, it's not that big. Alright. Ooh. It's hot out here. Okay. Let's see if these are gonna work. I don't know if these are gonna work or not. That's not gonna work. Alright. Oh yeah, this one fits, guys. This one fits. We got it. Alright, so put this on here. So I'm gonna put it right here, turn it. It's going on the left. See if it'll come off. I'm not sure if it's gonna come off or not. So I got this one off right here. Just gonna keep turning this one, hoping it comes off too. Probably will if I just keep going. Alright, I gotta do that at a certain angle. Alright, so I got it off. Now I just need a knife and there's oil coming out. So might just come back, cut this off with the knife. With this copper and these wires here. I think I'm gonna come back. And I got that joint in a box, so I'm gonna go get my knife and my hammer. I'll be back to come get it. And I got another surprise for you guys. There's gonna be another video, a separate video, so stay out for that. Stay tuned for that one.